Me think say no would have been perfect time to do one show. Wait, I will go out and I will look the person to have the threesome. And I was thinking 2 men. You and another man. Hey R&B squad, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Bree and I'm back with a banger. So guys, I know I'm wrong for this, you know. I know it's in the city title and you see what I go down. So today, I am going to tell my boyfriend that I want to have a threesome with a twist. I'm gonna feel like say 2 girls, but I'm gonna make it with a twist and say I want to do a threesome but with 2 men. Prank. I know say him. Oh God, I never ask if this now gonna be a banger. Cause I know I stay. I know I come down. So if y'all want to see his reaction, stay tuned. Big up to all of my dear one them we keep on supporting. Welcome to all the newbies. Make sure say when you subscribe, like the video, leave a comment down below, click the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video, and watch the ads. So follow us on our social also. Right into the video.
To the class of 2001.
It's
been a long time. But it's also been a long time.
This is story. How are you coming?
Coming.
You coming like a monk.
Ooh.
You know what
I'm ready,
You?
and you come like monk,
This
you know, like when monk I say how
Sorry, I
here's
don't
what's
know who you are.
happened. Rape.
Don't you recognize me?
I'm a monk. I'm ready mystery.
It's like murder mystery, but when you wanna tell you how they kill that they man and how they fight or whatever. I say tell you and then you show you.
You strike me as a sentimental man, Mr. McCall. That's surprising. I don't possess that chip. I never could understand what comes from feeling that way, except weakness. The man I killed, young man, I gave him a chance. He made that decision.
You want some?
Well, no, I'm telling so.
He didn't even hug me up or nothing.
So much
What
of
the
the
hell,
gear from morning, baby.
Which hug you give me for morning? When you have a morning?
From a come if you see. Come on, tell me cool, baby. I saw the man going on a tough out the road.
Yo, shut up, your mother. What you call me? You man,
Yeah, in a private to the cut up like a baby. Anyway, you know what? As the relationship grows, they think more things to make it more enticing. You know, cause I don't want those sparks, so I'm gonna come up with things. You know?
Wait, what can I
To
do
keep
my
the
sparks?
flames burning.
Which flame you want burn? You want more flames than we have now?
Listen, we know say when you're in a relationship for a long time, things get drawn out and boring. So I'm not trying to do that. So you know, we come up with idea for making relationships spicy. Yeah, so.
What kind of idea have spicy?
So, me didn't think say.
You buy weapons and then buttons.
Listen now, we not reach to say it.
50 Shades shit.
Listen to.
You will tell you from beat out your ass.
Who tell me to
What kind of spicy business you talking about you?
Anyway.
I must not tell you to tell you from
But you
beat
not
out your
gonna give me a
business.
chance to talk.
Me I make a talk but me just, you know.
You want to put it out there?
Yeah, I'm gonna put out the beater part like good.
Move. Anyways, me think say no would have been perfect time if you want threesome. Wait,
What?
threesome.
Joking. I was joking. Man. You?
You're not only saying on the threesome.
You?
When we initially
A
started.
joke at me.
But
You? I must. You, I can't yet. I must set up business this. I set up business this time. I can't tell me nothing. You against threesomes though?
I'm against it.
Every time. No.
I was.
Me get them something.
Listen now.
You can't get me to them something. They. Me? This I got, yeah. No, brother, you can't tell me nothing.
Listen, B. But
Bro.
if I gotta do the threesome, you have to do it my way.
You don't want to threesome.
You
can't set me up, miss.
Me not set it up.
I set up business this youth.
It's not set up business.
Yes, then when you say, oh, yes, man, threesome, you see it? Drunk crow.
No.
That you want. See it there? Me know you give me bun. Me know your time, brother.
I'm here, come to you with Dina B. And me think say yo.
You can't trick me.
Me not trick you, idiot.
Alright, you know, for God's sake, me gonna listen to what you say.
Okay.
But me not believe not what you say.
B, come on.
Because how you've got a white years them about this.
Exactly, years them. Me talk about no, this present moment. Remember saying, yeah, we have.
Who are talking about that friend so?
Number 9.
Who you talking to other day?
Jesus.
Alright, go on. Where one? Procedure, go on.
So,
Mm-hmm.
me did think say, I think we're in the stage right now, and we are growing in the relationship that we can do a threesome. But you have to do it my way, my terms and my policy.
In a business, what you want to do? But continue.
So, I will go out and I will look the person to have the threesome with. And I was thinking 2 men. Oh. You and another man.
He needs some milk.
Threesome. What do you think? What do you think?
Jesus.
Talk to me, Nabi.
Jesus.
This is Jesus?
Jesus.
This is Jesus?
He's not
The
blessed Savior.
no song no
He's
go
ready to. Let me this your bomber ass class. Which 2 man?
You're not just dancing Jesus song.
Don't tell me no. Listen.
But that it can work
Listen.
like that too.
Listen.
It can work like that to be.
Bree. I play out, you know so.
Me not playing, me serious.
2 man.
You want the next?
So you want me, I want next man, right? You?
I don't have to tell you 2 pieces. One can do one and one can do one.
One and do, one and one do. You want to take two before I give you one and the next one give you bomb up like one.
Me.
You got me laugh here?
But
Who whatever that tell them I'm sitting here?
nobody not tell me anything.
Bree, we have a good night. We were enjoying ourselves. We go live, have fun and live with some people. We chat and we laugh.
So
Where this come from?
let me just I think say yo.
You want threesome, you want 2 man, fuck you. One time?
2 men have to have sex with me.
So what you want? One in your mouth, one in your vagina?
No, you're crazy.
So what next man I do? Talk like stooge, I must video, I come video with. I want movie you make.
When we come to the test, we will see who.
Come to which test? Which test?
When it comes to the day,
Which day? Which day that?
We got planning day or something.
We who?
Me and you?
Me?
Yeah.
Plan for sex with you, man.
Yeah.
You know?
So,
Me I try to change my life, you know, youth, and I tell her, say, you see, the devil at work. God, devil at work. Devil at work. Devil at work. Devil at work.
what's that?
I try to get upset. But you piss me off. 2 months, brother.
So you wouldn't want to have one threesome?
Me no want no threesome.
But at the same thing with 2 women.
Me no want no threesome. Me need to tell us, me no want no threesome. Now you come where you want 2 man fuck you. So you want the next man we have fuck, come fuck you too. So why you not gonna fuck him?
You know, get me, Sabi. We just have one simple reason.
That is not simple. It's your neck. You can't go chat loud. That is not a simple fucking reasoning.
And what then?
You want threesome with 2 man?
So you would want threesome with 2 women?
Me need to tell you me want no threesome. No can't turn nothing for me.
Every man wants threesome with 2 women. But that's just my way of flipping the script. You understand?
Threesome not all that thing. So why you don't want 2 man fuck you?
But just the thing through me and I say, you know,
You want to live, no?
no.
So we are come with bullshit to me for?
Not a bullshit.
Bree,
I just want normal reason.
Bree,
Mm-hmm.
Bree, me try to be respectful. Me not try to outburst at night. Me not make the noise. Listen me, you see you have the brain that we have in your friggin' big head. It lock you off.
For what? A good reasoning ability like that.
Me ain't not reason about this.
Of course. So what
Me
wrong
and you
with
not
me?
reason. I mean, you want me and man a rub bars together in you? Could have batty man style at you.
So why if you're up 2 bars? I joke.
Don't use me like licking it.
I joke me and make.
Don't run certain joke with me.
Okay. I joke. I want prank. I want prank me.
I'm a fucking prank.
A prank.
I sit me and think about.
It's not nothing me I think about.
But you just use prank fi cover it up.
It's a prank.
I can't believe you want 2 man fuck you.
A prank. What me I go with 2 man? If me want 2 man, fuck me with a gearboard. It's a prank. Look up at TV. You see camera. A prank idiot. Guys, we got him good. Guys, watch him.
I'm a friend.
Watch him. Chip out that boy and then I invite you. I'm gonna tell us, say, me and my
So you go
team
post this
them.
now where you talk where you want threesome with 2
Me
man.
and my team them at up your head.
So you gonna really post this where you want threesome with 2 man.
I'm not agree with something, so
But then you're
what?
supposed to come to me with them and fool me to you.
Access him. Yo, big up my team Bree fan who give me the idea for chip on the head. Yo, I don't know if you do already, you know. Spam Team Bree in the comment section. Remember to like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Watch the ads. Team out.